degree video, which is being taken here and will be put on the MEC website later, so have a look. And we're actually going to be seeing this technology later as well. So, first of all, just wanted to say basically that this is the only tour that Google's doing. So, obviously it shows that as well, very relation with MEC, that we've basically chosen 5 stops in this tour in the main hall, which basically to pick up on 3 themes that we think is really important for marketers from CES. The first theme is about being smart versus being connected. So what that means is last year we saw a lot of technology which was internet connected, but that was really the only feature. What we start to see now is more things like machine learning being integrated into devices to make the devices smart, not just connected. The second thing we see is about systems. That's about how are all of these devices going to be talking to each other, what are the ecosystems, what are the different players, and how is this all going to interact together. And lastly, it's really about seamlessness, which is how can we reduce friction in consumer journeys using digital experience. So we're going to see a few of those things. So if we go through the entrance here, I'm going to lead you on with my MEC site, and our first stop is going to be iris scanning technology.
So table stakes is locking and unlocking the ignition. Where it becomes more valuable is when you authenticate it in your car and you pull up to a drive-up ATM and the car handshakes with the ATM and the money comes out because you've queued it. So what we're starting to see now is all of the connected devices that the world's been talking about, they're going to start talking to each other. So as consumers, we can start to get the value out of connected devices, but it all starts and stops with how well we can identify the person in front of the device. So we're saying machine to machine has been around a long time. It's now time to take it to a human to machine or human to human interaction to unlock the value. And that's why iLock has been adopted at such an accelerated rate in the authentication space across multiple market sectors.
If we open the fridge door, this refrigerator has 3 cameras on the inside. Right here in this door. Anytime you close the door, it will take a snapshot of what's inside your fridge. If you click on the food reminder app, the latest and greatest shot that you took will show up. You can also manage this on your cell phone. If you have the app, obviously you will download it when you purchase this fridge. You can see it from the grocery store or wherever you are. Do I need another pack of mustard? Or what am I missing in the fridge to make a lasagna? Additionally, from your fridge door, you can label your ingredients. So let's say you have this jar of pasta and you want a reminder in 4 days that it's going to go bad. That's all you have to do.
The technology is again about making the device smarter. Here, you can put the 360 camera on top of a helmet, and what it's doing to the cyclist is sensing when there's a car approaching. So you see in this top right corner, when it's green, it's saying the car behind is at a safe distance. But when it gets too close, it will get orange, and the cyclist will get an audible warning in their thing, because obviously they can't see behind them, but the camera that's mounted on top of their head can. So it's not just about this idea of being able to have like a wide angle vision, be able to take 360 seamlessly in a way that you haven't done before, but actually it's smart. You know, it's that next level is how do you use the functionality in a good way. Really what they're doing is that they're experimenting with different types of flexible displays. So this is actually a fixed flexible display. So what it's doing here is actually, this car dashboard is actually a single piece of plastic, and all the sensors are actually built in. So the advantage that they have over, you might have seen the Tesla dashboard, which looks a bit similar, but they're actually able to integrate all the sensors because it's this film plastic into the actual buttons, whereas on the glass it's kind of basically done basically on pressure. But you can start to see if this is built from plastic, you can start to see that anything effectively could have this kind of texture or technology around it, and basically see how kind of interaction can change.